Hi, I'm Jarno Visser from PowerBISolutions.com. In this solution, I want to give you an introduction in row level security in Power BI. What does row level security mean? With row level security, you can create different roles, and in each role you can define which data that role is allowed to see in your report. When you define different roles, you can add users to each role, so that when you share your report to your end users, that users see only the data in your reports which is in the role they are connected to. So when we talk about row level security, you can only define which data an end user is allowed to see. You cannot define which visual or which report page a user is allowed to see. So row level security is only about the data. It's not about the visuals or the report pages in your report. So when you share a report to your end user and that specific end user is not allowed to see the data in a specific visual, he still can see the visual, but he only sees that it's empty. That visual contains no data for him. So that's the first thing you need to keep in mind when we talk about row level security. Okay, so it's all about the data. And for this solution, I created a sample report with the sales per month and the sales per product category. And I added in my data model a table with account managers. So what I want to see is for each account manager, I want to see the sales per month and the sales per product category. And I want to share this report with all of these account managers, but I don't want them to be allowed to see the data of each other. So in this sample report, we're going to add a row level security so that each account manager is only allowed to see his own data and not the data of his colleagues.